for the cow, the cat, the dog, elephant, sheep.
The end. Do you want to read the kittens?
Cat.
The cats? The end again? You haven't even started. What about this one?
Effie.
What are those?
Oh, boy. See?
Fish and what? What's the other one? Yeah, those are two fish. Now let's go find out what did he turn out to be. It's a frog. It wasn't a fish all along. It was a tadpole that turned into a frog. Now go read it. Go read your book. Butterflies and birds. The end. Good night. Good night, Kiki. Look at Mama. Night, night.